King Ndung Vung's attempts to establish his capital were repeatedly thwarted. Every night, mysterious spirits, led by a vengeful white chicken demon, caused the newly constructed walls to crumble to the ground, frustrating the king and his people. Desperate for a solution, the king followed the advice of a local land deity and waited by the river. There the golden turtle, Kim Kui, a divine messenger, emerged from the water to reveal the spiritual cause of the destruction and offer his assistance. Following Kim Kui's strategy, the king disguised himself to confront the spirits at a local inn under magical protection. Simultaneously, his soldiers unearthed and destroyed the skeletal remains of the ghosts in the mountains, effectively banishing the white chicken demon and its followers. With the evil spirits exorcised, the magnificent spiral citadel, Koloa, was swiftly completed. Before returning to the sea, Kim Kui gifted Ndung Vung one of his claws to create the trigger for a magical crossbow, granting the kingdom invincible defensive power.